Security is a key consideration for administrators when configuring an ArcGIS organization. Go to the Organization Page Settings tab and find the Security section. You have the option of enabling or disabling anonymous access for the organization website. When you disable anonymous access, users are prompted to sign in to access the website, items, and other resources. The opposite is true when anonymous access is enabled. Enabling this setting means that anyone can access the organization website and view publicly shared items and groups without signing in. In ArcGIS Enterprise, it is best practice to disable anonymous access to protect organization resources. But you may consider enabling it in certain cases to make the organization website and publicly shared resources available without prompting for sign-in credentials. In ArcGIS Online, enable or disable anonymous access based on your security preferences. Disabling it ensures that only organization members can access the website. However, members can still make public items available to anonymous users by providing a public URL. For more information, visit the links in the description.